Why do we shiver when we feel cold? Because our bodies are tuned into vibration mode. That's not true. The reason why we tremble, because of our bodies trying to keep us warm. Our human core body temperature, it's about 37 degrees centigrade or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Our brains, there is a part called the hypothalamus. It controls and maintains the body's core body temperature. So does it keep us in shape? Please listen to me carefully. During particularly cold months, the temperature is usually quite low. If we don't dress warmly, it feels very cold. Our body temperature will drop accordingly. At this time, our hypothalamus will detect it immediately. This decrease in temperature, that's when he sends a signal to our muscles. Let him contract and expand rapidly. It made us tremble. Our muscles contract through this rapid expansion generates heat. This heat warms the body. It helps us maintain our core body temperature. This time you know it's getting cold. Please keep warm. See you next time. Today's topic is evaporation. Why do cacti have thorns? Maybe they want to look like porcupines. You are so funny. Cactus spines are used to reduce water evaporation. I know what vibrate means, but what does evaporation mean? Evaporation refers to the moisture from plants via other earthly parts, like stems and leaves. The process of losing water vapor to the outside world. The above ground part of the plant has many stomata. Water vapor goes out into the air through those pores. So do we need to use tape? What about sealing the part of the plant on the ground? God, let me continue to explain. Cactus, they usually grow in deserts where there's no water due to the high temperature of the desert, so the evaporation rate of water is also high, and we see the leaves of the cactus turned into thorn. There are no pores on the thorn, so the evaporation rate of water will be lower. This way the cactus can retain water. Do you understand this time? See you next time. This is the whole natural process of healing wounds. Let's see what your body did after the injury. As soon as the skin is damaged from the outside, the platelets will immediately burst. Focus quickly on the wound area to form a blood clot, sealing the wound. Fibrin fibers in the blood will also build a network layer, defense on the skin surface. When the pain is transferred to the brain, the eye cells release histamine to dilate blood vessels, speed up blood circulation, kill bacteria, and remove dead cells, thereby improving the resilience. At the same time, to prevent all types of viruses from withdrawing and bacteria from entering, the immune system sends white blood cells to the injured area. Then the white blood cells will continue to collect in the wound to keep this area under tight control. About 2 to 3 days later, fibroblasts will reach the injured area, perform the task to repair damaged tissue. Drying of the blood. Epidermal cells also receive commands, divide and move in an orderly manner, covering the wound surface. Later stage. The scab on the surface of the wound isn't just blood clots, it's an accumulation, platelet cell debris and collagen. It forms a protective layer, resist VI bacteria and dirt from outside, support the skin regeneration process. This is also the time when many people feel the pain, snoring, because the wound is in a critical period of recovery. Don't rush to peel off the scales. To the final stage of regeneration and restoration. Collagen will be rearranged to beautify the skin. When the new cells have essentially grown into skin, the scale will automatically flake off. It marks the end of the cycle. Heal the wounds. Over time, the scar will fade.